Secret sex positions for female orgasm. 1. Sit to stand. The most effective method to do it. Crease the top portion of your body over the bed, on your back. Have your accomplice remain behind you and enter you from behind. You can keep your legs on the floor or fold them over your accomplice's abdomen. Why we adore it? I really detest any position that requires work, so sit to stand is my go-to. My beau cherishes it, since he doesn't need to work that hard since he's standing and pushing. I like bringing a vibe into it, says Julie, 25. 2. Doggy style. The most effective method to do it. Jump on each of the fours. Have your accomplice enter you from behind. You can carry a finger vibe to use with one hand for additional incitement. Why we adore it? Doggy style takes into account you or your accomplice to stretch around and animate your clitoris, says Polly Rodriguez, sex master and Chief of Unbound. Doggy style remains my fave for heaps of reasons. There's something excessively bestial about it, I mean, clearly. Thus, the name that just makes me feel messy positively when I'm doing it in this position. And I cherish that the position lets either my accomplice or me or whatever new toy I'm giving it a shot include some clit incitement in with the general mishmash, says author Danielle Page. 29. 3. Lotus. The most effective method to do it. Have your accomplice sit up on the bed. Lower yourself on top with a goal that you are confronting one another. This private position gives you a chance to shake to and fro for ideal clitoral incitement. Why we adore it? I cherish how close lotus feels. I can kiss my accomplice and get a ton of crush activity against my clit. It's the best. Brianna, 31, lets us know. 4. Lifted evangelist. Instructions to do it. Lie on your back with your legs open and put 2 cushions under your butt. The additional lift will make entering you simpler for your accomplice and gives you much required G-spot and clitoral incitement. Why we cherish it? I adore teacher since I cherish feeling a man over me. Aaron Esteresk, 27, lets us know. When I put a couple of cushions under my butt, I'm ready to adjust my pubic unresolved issue accomplice's pelvis, says Grace Asterisk, 31. This is called coital arrangement procedure, and it makes for simpler climax. 5. Cowgirl. Instructions to do it. Get over your accomplice like a cowgirl. Stir up your moves among crushing and bigger pushes. You can use a finger vibrator over extra clitoral incitement. This can help make climax simpler. Why we cherish it? When you are on top, you have more command over clitoral contact and contacting yourself, Rodriguez lets us know. I like straddling him on the sofa while he's practically sort of slumping, and I can spread my legs wide enough to crush my clit on his pelvis, says Candace, 23. 6. Level doggy. Instructions to do it. Lie on your stomach, legs shut, and have your accomplice enter you from behind. This interpretation of the exemplary doggy-style position makes climax simpler by taking into consideration G-spot incitement. It additionally eases the heat off you, as you get the chance to rest on your stomach and unwind. Why we adore it? Me and my sweetheart are at present cherishing doggy style, however low to the bed, like my hips at an extremely heartless point, with my legs shut between his. I like it since I like having the option to feel his entire body over mine, and doggy is incredible in light of the fact that he can hit the G-spot. Having my legs shut just improves every one of the sensations for the two of us since it makes me more tightly, says Gabby, 22.